Hi everyone, this is Shanshan. Welcome to my channel. Today I am visiting a professional docking station factory. This factory was established in 2012 and has been in the docking station business for over 12 years. Their products are sold in over 80 countries across America, Europe, and Asia. Their main business is OEM and ODM. They design and manufacture USB docking stations, USB hubs, KVM switches, and splitters. Their products have passed multiple international certifications such as FCC, CE, and ROSE. You can see there are so many certificates on the wall for their products. Here is the solder area. Larger components are inserted manually. Before shipping, every single unit goes through a full functional test, such as video output. This factory supports custom labeling. You can see this worker is doing the laser engraving work. Quality control is very strict here. They have IQC, IDQC, and OQC. Now let's look at what products this factory has. This is an AV to HD TV video converter, which is designed to convert analog AV signals from older devices like DVD players into digital HD signals for modern TVs. This is a 4K Ultra HD TV to USB 3.0 video capture device. It can convert HD TV signals into USB signals for a computer. It is designed to handle high-resolution video capture. This is a dual-head HD video capture card. It can convert HDMI signals into Type-C signals or USB signals. That's a wrap for today's factory tour. If you're looking for a reliable docking station supplier, please leave a comment or message me. See you next time.